Hello there, and welcome to Really Cool Excel. Today I'm going to explain how an Excel feature called AutoFill can really help with data input. It's very quick and it cuts down the potential for mistakes. Fast and accurate. Perfect. I'll show you how it works. Let's say you had to type in the days of the week from Monday to Sunday in column A. Start by typing Monday in cell A1, then hit Enter, Return or your down arrow. The default mouse pointer in Excel is a white cross. You use it to select single cells or groups of cells. We'll go back to A1 for a minute. At the bottom right corner of the cell border, there's a little black square. Hover your mouse over this square and the mouse pointer changes to a black cross. Click and hold the black cross and drag down to A7. Well, that saved a lot of typing. Excel has auto-filled the column based on what we put in A1, Monday. Now click on B1 and type MON, you know, the abbreviation for Monday. There's no need to hit Enter, just hover your mouse as before. When it changes to the black cross, click, hold and drag down. Click on C1, type January and do the same thing. As you autofill, you'll see little screen prompts on the right that tell you what autofill is doing. If you go too far, just drag the mouse back in the opposite direction until you have what you want. Now click on D1 and type Jan. Before you autofill, let's assume you need the data in column D to go down just as far as in column C, to December. Instead of dragging the black cross, double-click it. So much faster, especially if you had 1,000 rows of data to fill in. Let's play with a few more. In E1, type today's date in the format day/month. Double-click and the dates are filled in for you. In F1, type your first name and double-click. This time Excel doesn't know what to do, so it just repeats the same data all the way down. You may be famous, but all Excel sees is a string of alpha characters, so there's no sequence for it to follow. In G1, type your name again, followed by 01. Double-click. Now Excel can give you the sequence of data. In H1, type ABC123. This could be an invoice number or an item code. This time just autofill to H5, ABC127. Excel has input the sequence, but what if you don't want that? You might want ABC123 in all 5 cells. Look carefully at the bottom right corner again near ABC127 and you'll see an icon. Hover your mouse to see it's called Autofill Options. Click on the drop-down and you'll see this autofill, which is alphanumeric, defaults to fill series. Change this to copy cells, and now you have 5 data entries all the same, ABC123. In I1, try the same thing with dates. Now let's look at how autofill deals with numbers. In J1, type the number 1. Autofill as normal. The numeric default is to copy cells. Open the Options drop-down and change it to Fill Series. Incidentally, the Options icon will stay there until you do something else in Excel, so you have the chance to change it back again if you need to. Autofill can also handle any numbering sequence. In K1, type 5, and in K2, type 10, and hit Enter. Now, using the white cross this time, select both cells. Lift off the mouse button and hover to pick up the black cross again. AutoFill. Because you gave Excel the first two numbers in the sequence, it knows what to do with the rest. Here's another one. 100, 200, and there's the sequence. It works with dates too in M1, today's date. Below that, 7 days hence. Select both and autofill. Finally, here's a quick demo of how you can use multiple autofills. I'll put Monday in one cell and Monday's date next to it. Below that, another Monday, and next Monday's date here. Select all 4 cells, autofill, and bingo! Now that's really cool. So that's autofill. Like I said at the beginning of this tutorial, it's fast and it's accurate. If you type the right data in the first cell, the rest will just follow on. Look for any opportunity to use it. If you're not sure if an autofill will work, try it anyway. You can always undo. I'll leave you now to go off and experiment, and if you'd like more practice, download the associated Excel file from the website. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again next time.